Hello everyone, welcome to another video. My name is Mario So, and in today's video we'll be talking about this little pocket LED light. Right here, the Weeylite S03. So it's great to see you back here again. Welcome to another video. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button for other videos similar to this one. And if you're already subscribed, thank you again so much for being here. Today, I want to talk about this little pocket LED light by Weeylite, which is also the same company as Viltrox, which makes the third-party lenses. A little disclaimer is that this is not sponsored, but they did send me this little pocket LED light to try out. So this light comes in a bunch of different colors. You get a yellow, a blue, a gray, and a white. In terms of the build quality of this, I have a similar pocket LED light, the Aperture M9, which is similar in power output as this light, but it's also about double the price of this light. This light retails for about $29 or 25 US dollars, I believe. As usual, I'll leave links in the description below if you want to check it out. While the Aperture M9 is priced about $60 or $70 last time I checked. Even though they're both pretty much the same in terms of power output, there are some pros and some cons between both of them. The Aperture M9 is better built. It also comes with a little pouch, but is not RGB. So it doesn't have all the different colors and it doesn't have effects and all of that. So it's a very no frills type of light when it comes to that, but it's built very well. This one, on the other hand, comes with all the bells and whistles. It has all these effects and RGB colors. You can control it via an app and everything, but it's also a very plasticky light. The material is not as sturdy as the Aperture M9. And on the body of this light, all you get is just the one button right here where you get to turn on and off the light, and that's it. You cannot adjust the light, the power output, or anything on this light. You also get a 1/4 inch thread on the body of this little light, which you can use to attach that adapter that it comes with and put that on the cold shoe of your camera or on the light stand or anything like that. You also get a USB-C to USB-A cable, and that is used to charge the light. So if you want to access all the features of this light, you need to connect it to an app. And depending on the way you like to work, this might be good or not good. Sometimes I don't like to be playing around with an app. I like to just be able to control the settings on the light itself. But with this one, you can do that. You have to connect it to the app. But again, at this price point of $29, it's a really good buy if you're looking for something small to add a little bit of an accent light or a little bit of a background light like I had before. This light has a CRI of over 95, which makes it a very color accurate light. Battery life is about 60 minutes, and it takes about 2 or 3 hours to fully charge this. In order to control this, you need to download the Weeylite app that you can find on the App Store, on the Google Play Store. And there are a bunch of settings that you can control on this light. So once you have this switch on, you can turn it on and off with the app. You can adjust the CCT, the color temperature, from warm to cool, and you can even adjust the different colors. So you can adjust HSL values, just pick from the color wheel, adjust the saturation of that color even, which is pretty neat in my opinion, and also the intensity of the color. There's different ways to select colors. You also get to use color chips and also a color picker. So you can take a photo, you can point your phone to a scene and select the color that you want the light to have based on whatever you're pointing at. So I'm pointing at this couch over here or this part here, and this is the light, the color that the light is interpreting from what I'm pointing on this phone. Normally at this price point, you don't get all of these fancy effects in color or in RGB mode, but this light does have them. So you get your flash effect, you get your burst, flash lamp, blink, welding, candle light. So if I had a candle over here, it kind of simulates that candlelight effect. Or a flame. Let's try the flame. Yeah, it's pretty good. Let's try TV. This is the TV effect. You can also adjust the speed of that effect. So I have it set to the middle right now. Let's turn it all the way up. This is how it goes. As if there was a TV on this side of the screen. Fireworks. There's 3 versions of the fireworks, so this is one of them. You can see, maybe right here, coming out the window, as if I'm watching fireworks. The very popular police effect. Ambulance. the fire truck. Also party mode, pretty cool. At this price point, you can't go wrong. The only cons that I found with this light again is that you can't control the intensity of the light physically in the body of this pocket LED. Everything has to be done inside the app. But again, if you're looking for a very budget-friendly pocket light that has effects and it's RGB, this is a good one to consider. So I'll leave links in the description below as usual if you're interested. That's it for today's video. Make sure you hit the like button. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe if you haven't already. That would be greatly appreciated, and I'll see you next time.